Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock on Vizio TV. Easy setup step by step clearly. To activate Peacock on your Vizio TV, start by turning on your television. Ensure your Vizio TV is connected to the internet. Go to the Vizio TV home screen using your remote. Navigate to the App Store on your TV. In the App Store, use the search function to find Peacock. Select the Peacock app from the search results. Once you've selected the app, click on Install or Download. Wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. After installation, return to the home screen. Find the Peacock app and open it. You will see a welcome screen prompting you to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, select Sign In. Enter your email and password, then click on Sign In again. If you don't have an account, select Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions. Once signed in, the app may prompt you to activate the device. Take note of the activation code displayed on the screen. On your computer or mobile device, go to the Peacock activation website. Enter the activation code from your TV into the designated field. Follow any additional prompts to link your Peacock account. Once completed, return to your Vizio TV. The Peacock app should now be fully activated and ready to use. You can now start streaming your favorite shows and movies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.